Hello guys! How are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. This delicious recipe is cooked with loads of aromats, bursting with flavors such as curry, coconut milk, and other spices. So without further ado, we will head on to our recipe, crab coconut curry. Here are our ingredients. We will need 1 kg blue crabs, or any crab will do. I clean the crabs and then pat them dry. 2 tablespoons flour, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 cloves garlic minced, 3 shallots minced, 1 scallion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup water, and 2 cups coconut milk. In most restaurants, crabs are almost always deep fried first, so they are cooked quickly and the juices get sealed in. But since we're doing this at home, we don't have to get a deep fryer. So the way we will do it is we will put on the crabs and then the flour. We will mix it all together to dredge them all with flour. And then we will heat the wok over high heat and add the olive oil. Sear the crabs, paying special attention to the open dredged area in order to seal in the juices. And then, turn the heat to medium and fry until they've turned red-orange. This process should take about 5 minutes and the crab should be about 80% done. And then we will set them aside. In our pan, there should be a tablespoon or more oil left. We'll put the ginger and then we'll let it caramelize for a minute on low heat. And then we will add shallots, our garlic, and the white portions of the scallion. We will cook it until soft. After that, we will turn the heat to medium-high and we will add the curry powder, the turmeric powder, salt and pepper, water, and coconut milk. We will stir it until mixed well. And then we will add the crab until coated and cover the pan. Cook for about a minute. And stir and toss the crab until the liquid is reduced. We will now plate it to our dish and garnish with the green portion of the scallions. And then serve. Be prepared for a little messy, yet fun and smile-inducing eating experience because the sauce is finger-licking good. Here we go. Enjoy!